Hey guys, how's it going? So I just got this box in the mail, the One Funnel Away Challenge. I was told by Alex Shenrowski how great it is, so I bought it, and it finally arrived. And on the side it says that if you can win a prize if you do an unboxing video. So here I am doing an unboxing video. So I already cut the sides open so that I wouldn't like be walking around with knives. It's like not a Casey Neistat thing here, whatever. So I opened it up, and it says, "Your training officially begins now." And it's got a nice quote from Winston Churchill. And then let's see if you can see in the box. It's actually like, it's pretty nice. It's got like wrapping paper in the box. This is not how I normally get books delivered to me in like anywhere. So it's pretty sweet. So it first comes with a thing that it says here. This is a long letter. I'm definitely not going to read you this letter. You can read it, screenshot now. And basically it says that if I signed you up to do this thing, then I can make money, but we're not gonna do that. Okay, let's start with what's inside the box. So this is the book. It is hardcover. Why is this so difficult? This is the book, it's hardcover. Don't follow the whole box, jeez. Okay, and we'll get to that in a second. Then we've got this little black box and wrapping paper. Then we have the 2 Comma Club coaching. I know I have a few friends in this 2 Comma Club coaching. I assume this is just an upsell. And the workbook, which we'll get to in a second, and then wrapping paper. And Shauna, look at this sweet block of styrofoam. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and then there's wrapping paper. And in the wrapping paper it says One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna put that over here and this away, and great. Okay, so let's look at what's in these boxes. So in this small box, I have no idea what's inside here. Ooh, it is the One Funnel Away Challenge USB MP3 player. I don't know what is on here or anything, and doesn't, oh, and there are instructions. There are instructions. Move the switch from off to on. Huh, it is already in the on position. Okay, well, it's probably dead then. Okay. Charge, step 1, charge. And then on here it says there are 5 folders. The You Must Believe, the pre-challenge training, then the Create Your Offer, your stories, your hooks, and your funnels. And then it's an MP3 player. So they actually have instructions on how to use an MP3 player. I feel like I'm on an airplane and they're telling me how to use the seat belts. Okay, so that's this box. And then we have the workbook, which has Russell Brunson famous art, like as if he's a famous artist. You can recognize his art anywhere, literally these little stick figures. And the workbook, I don't know anything about this challenge at all, literally nothing. I just know that I signed up for it and that I'm in it now. The 2 Comma Club thing. Got some people who are in it, and here are the books, and here are people that I know, and where is it saying that I should buy things? I'm just expecting there to be an upsell in there. Okay, we'll get there in a second. And now to open this monster of a book, it's got the you can't see it on here, but it is, can you see it? It is the One Funnel Away emblem sticker. I'm gonna we'll just take my word for it that I'm opening it. Okay. Wow, this is a book. So first I got a Russell Brunson $100 bookmark. And because I love bookmarks. My wife's rolling her eyes because she doesn't think this is the greatest bookmark ever. Well, I don't have a bookmark in the shape of a $100 bill with my face on it. So, and I do have a personalized bookmark. And then this is this book. This is huge. Russell Brunson has really great books. That's actually why I bought this book, because he makes really great books and I just wanted to buy his other books. So I just actually bought his network marketing book. So this is the book, and it comes with the workbook, and it comes with the 2 Comma Club coaching, and it comes with a bookmark, which is always the best part of every book. And it comes with an MP3 player that needs to be charged. And that is it. And I'm pretty excited to jump in, and I will keep you guys updated on how it goes. Thank you for watching.